Good morning, E and H period classes. Today we're going to do an asynchronous learning. You will go into the Google Classroom page, and under Chapter 3, Skeletons and Joints, you'll have two assignments. Both of them are relatively quick. You should be able to finish them throughout the assigned class period for about 45 minutes to an hour it should take you. The first assignment is the movement video slide, which I was not able to get to last class. And the second one is muscle contraction types. Both of these are in the Chapter 3 Skeletons and Joints for both. This is H period, and E period should have the same thing, muscle contraction types and movement video slide. So here we go. So for the movement video slide, you are going to open the video, slide 29 in the PowerPoint. So if you go down to the PowerPoint for this class, I'll add it to a link as a link later once I'm done with this video. Slide 29. This video goes along with that assignment. So watch the video, and as you watch the video, play it in positives as needed, and answer these questions. What is an agonist, an antagonist? What happens to the agonist when the antagonist contracts? How do the skeletal, nervous, and muscular systems interact to produce movement? Answer those questions and submit in Google Classroom. It is your attendance for the day, so you have to turn these in. And then the next assignment is muscle contraction types. Watch the video. I've linked this video in the assignment, but it is also slide, I believe, 45 in the PowerPoint. Yeah. So you will then answer these questions. There's 3 different muscle contraction types. You have an isometric, isotonic, and isokinetic. And each contraction type, you have 3 things going on. One of them will be the same throughout, either same tension, same length, or same energy. You have to figure that out by watching the video and be able to describe each one by its tension, length, and energy relationships. And then at the end, there are 2 types of isotonic contractions, eccentric and concentric. These are really important. They're a big part of what we do in athletics and in terms of injury. Most injuries are related to one of these 2 types of contractions, so pay attention to these, be able to explain the difference between both. Once you understand these, I'm going to add one more assignment, but I think this is enough for today. If you'd like to do it or look into it, you can. It's called a plyometric exercise. Many of you have probably heard Coach Johnson or myself or Melanie talk about plyometrics. Explain what a plyometric exercise is with the knowledge of an eccentric and concentric muscle contraction. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. I will not be available during class time, but I will respond to emails if you have any questions on this assignment.